Good morning, sir. This is my system, the laboratory equipment inventory system and class department. First is you log in. Sign in. After you log in, you can see the dashboard. In dashboard, you can see the categories and the pending borrows. Let's proceed to the borrow. In borrowing records, you can see the ID, date created, the code, the borrow date, the return date, and the status when it is borrowed or returned, and also the action. In action, you can view the details. This is the details of the borrow record, and back to list, and also you can edit, and also you can search. In inventory, you can see the ID, the photo of the computer equipment, the category, the total, and the available equipment. And also you can search mouse. Okay, after the inventory, let's proceed to the category list. In category list, also you can see the ID, the photo of the computer equipment, the name of the computer equipment, the description, and the status, it is working or defective. And in action, you can view the details. This is the details of the computer equipment. And also, you can edit. You can edit the category, and you can delete the category. And also, you can search, for example, mouse. And if you want to add a category, you click the create new, add new category. After the category list, let's proceed to the item list. In item list, you can see also the ID, the date created, the category also, and the code. And also, you can see the status and action. In item list, you can search, for example, Japton. And for example, this search the code. And after that, let's back the borrow. For example, borrow ta og equipment. The borrower is the student. Borrow name, for example, and the borrow date is the day June 15, 2024. Course section SBS INT third year, section A. Then the item is, for example, i-borrow siya og mouse. Then, i-borrow siya og projector. And the remarks is good. Then, save. So, this is the borrow record. Then, back to list. Kita na ninyo siya diri sa list of borrowing records. Number 4, ID is 14. Date created is 2024 June 15. The borrow date ang kani siya ang iyang date created, then borrow date is June 6, 2024. June 15 rather, may borrow date. Wala pa siya na-return. And then, yung status is borrowed pa din. Mo-proceed ta sa inventory. So, makita na to ang total niya is 3 ang total sa mouse. Then, sa projector is 4. And then, may borrow man siya dito og usa ka mouse, then usa ka projector. Diri sa inventory, makita na diri ang available is 2 na lang. Then, ang projector is 3, which is na-borrow naman siya. Ang usa ka mouse ug ang usa ka projector. So, balik ta sa borrow. So, if i-return na to siya, ang kani, na na-borrow na to, click the action and i-edit na to, then i-return. For example, i-return na to siya of June 16. Save. Then, ang status niya is returned na. And back to list. Kita na siya diri sa list of borrowing records is na-return na siya. Then, mo back to sa inventory. Makita na po siyang available is 3 na po siyang available, which is na-return naman ang mouse. Then, 4 na po na projector, which is na-return ang usa ka projector. Okay, mo borrow ko usab og equipment. Create new. Then, for example, staff ang borrower. So, example is, ang borrower name is Leia. And borrow date niya is June 15. It's, for example, June 16. And department is CAS. Then, borrow ko og sa mouse and duha ka projector. And the remarks is good. Then save. Okay, now you can see the borrow record, which is the borrower is the staff, the borrower name is Miss Leia, the borrow date is June 16, 2024, the status is borrowed, and the department is CAS. Wala pa siya return date. Nabutan din which is wala pa siya na-return. The borrow items which is mouse, usa ka mouse, then duha ka projector, remarks is good. Then back to list. Then makita niyo siya diri sa list of borrowing records. Nara. Makita niyo siya diri. I-view na to ang details of pila ka button yang na-borrow. Makita niyo siya diri. Nara, makita diri sa pag-view nimo sa details of ang borrowed record. Next is yung proceed sa inventory. Ito lang tanong available niya, which is ni borrow tag niya og usa ka mouse. Ang available na niya karon is 2 na lang, which is na-borrow na tong usa. And sa projector, which is ni borrow ta og 2, so ang available niya is 2 na lang. Then if mobile to sa borrows, din natong i-return to siya. Return. So, click ang action, i-edit, then i-return. Return date, which is, for example, 17. June 17 siya i-return. So, save. Then, nara, ang status is na-return na siya. And back to list. Tawag mo siya diri sa list of borrowing records, which is na-return na siya. So, balik na po sa inventory, makita na to ang available. Ibalik na po siya og 3, then 4, which is na-return na ang computer equipment nga atong na-borrow. And, after that, balik sa borrow, hindi mo siyang ma-search. As, kasa ni mo na-borrow na siya, or ang code, pwede ko na siya So, for example, pwede nimo siyang ma-search ang katong na-borrow date nimo. If nalimot ka sa taning mga na-borrow, for example, is 2010, 24, June 17. Makita niyo siya dali. If you may search. And after, so that's all, sir, my system, which is the laboratory equipment inventory system in cost department. Okay, now let's log off the system. Thank you, sir.